Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix or not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on Apple. If you're using an iPhone and you want to create your Apple ID and you are having this type issue that you cannot create Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So you must have to go back, and here first of all you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Just scroll down your quick settings, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, or you just have to enable your airplane mode from here. Briefly wait for 5 or 10 seconds, then disable it. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have connected to internet, you just have to go back and try it again. Or if you are still having the same issue, you must have to switch to your browser. So open up your browser, and here you simply have to search for Apple ID. Once you have searched, you must have to select the first option, and from here you can easily create your own account. Simply tap on the sign down option, and you have to try to sign in or create your account on this page or on your browser. Or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for general, then scroll down again and look for transfer or reset iPhone, and here tap on reset, and here tap on reset all settings. It might be that you have enabled or disabled any settings such like that, which is issuing in to create your Apple ID. So you must have to tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings, and here you have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, your phone settings will be resetted. So once your phone setting and reset it, you have to try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you must have to take a commit. So after that, it might be that your problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.